Hi guys, I'm gonna be doing a bit of gaming today on the Steam Deck and on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And the main reason for this, obviously, is because I had to reinstall. Well, I didn't actually reinstall games or apps onto my phone. On the Samsung Galaxy phones, there is this app called Smart. I forget the name of the app. I need to find it. Let me look for it and then I'll tell you guys what that app is called. I'm actually in another app right now. I'm actually doing testing on my DualSense. I've changed the wallpaper on this thing here. Right. You know what I'm thinking? I'm trying a different format. Right. Okay. So it's okay. It's showing up properly. Right. So what's going on here is I had to change the wallpaper. I didn't like the wallpaper I had, and obviously I've gone back to this. Every time I try to change, like just the background of this, I didn't like it. So I found out a few things. I'll show you this one. If I click on this one, click on settings, this thing here, you see, and I can change the color as well of the app. So this app is Notes app, and it's black now, and I can change it to white, and then I can also change the transparency, you see. And however I set this as, I save it, and there you go. The app is almost next to invisible, right? Right, so what I'm doing here is I'm calibrating the DualSense controller. This is a PS5 gamepad for this phone. I had to reconnect it. I had forgotten how I did it initially. So, if you want to connect these two, you need to press on the PS button, and you need to press on the share button, and then obviously it will then, you have to scan for Bluetooth and it will connect. So I've got it connected now. The app that I'm actually in, it's called Mantis Pro. So I'll show you what I'm doing now. I'm calibrating the joy thing. So if the DualSense. So if I do this, say the right thumbstick is moving, and obviously for the left thumbstick, and then for the D-pad, and for the I think X, square, O, and triangle, share and create, the thumbsticks and the triggers are all working. Of course, mine doesn't have I don't have that. I don't have those back pedals, but I've already tested it, so I just tap on done. It knows that it knows that this is a DualSense PlayStation DualSense controller, but it has other options, got like Xbox and things like that. So it's got Nintendo, it's got generate. This one is generic, like it's that means like a Logitech gamepad, or I know I didn't say it properly, but I'm just saying this can represent any other gamepad, and basically this is for Nintendo. So I think what this is saying is I can change the layout if I wanted to. So instead of it being recognized as a DualSense, I can change it to Nintendo. Or I can change this to Xbox. But I think I want to keep this on where it is. Right, so I've done this part, but the problem is it doesn't let me out. Okay, there you go. So it says one gamepad's connected. If I tap on this, it says DualSense wireless controller. So it knows, and it's green. And of course, if we check here, it's connected with that dot thing. Right, so what games do I want to do with this one? Well, basically games that will work with Mantis Pro are PUBG Mobile. This is for mapping, yes. PUBG Mobile, Fallout 84, and Call of Duty Mobile. Because I cannot use DualSense control for that. Right, so it's saying, what's this thing? Display over other apps. I'm going to click on this to enable this if I can. I'm tapping on it, but it's right. It wants me to go to settings, I think. So I'm going to come out of this thing here, go to settings, and I'm going to click on this one. And I could write this down, display over, and there you go. And then it'll find what I'm looking for. It says display speech output. What's that on Braille? Oh, it's on display. So it's not really knowing what I want to do. I think I have to type it out. But it put most of it there. Right, so I have to wait for the keyboard to come out. This is just the theme that I'm using at the moment for my keyboard. And sorry, I'll try and zoom in just a bit more so you guys can see what I'm doing. So basically, I have to allow this to display over other apps. But I know I have allowed this already. Right, so I don't think it knows exactly what I want to do. Right, so I'll have to do this the other way. The problem is most of the time, okay, you know what? Let me just find Mantis Pro. So if I say M-A-N Mantis, I'm just trying to know the spelling. T-I-S. It says service there. Mantis Pro, okay, the app says notifications allowed, permissions notifications, remove permissions if app is unused, and it says in this app set as default, something about mobile data, battery storage, appear on top. Okay, so this is what it wants, and then I click on that, but it's not just this thing. I want to also look for the others. So I'm going to type here, sorry about that, appear. Is that like two R's, two A's? Yeah, there you go, appear on top. So it's going to tell me why I came in here, because I want to see the other apps that are not being allowed. It's just easier if I come in here and allow these other apps. So when I do use them, because some apps are like widgets, you know. They just appear on top of other apps. Like I could be watching YouTube, and then I want to watch, maybe I want to do something on Google or something, or on a browser, you know. The browser's a widget, and obviously I can be still watching YouTube while I've got that browser actively showing up as a smaller version. Of course, you can do that already on this phone. You don't need to have this enabled. But I'm just saying certain apps, I'm talking about apps you download. So there's some apps that actually require this to be enabled. If it's an app that's already on the phone, you don't need to worry about it. That's what I'm trying to say. If it's an app that the phone already has, that app will already be programmed to work, to appear on top of other apps. You understand? But certain apps, I'm saying some apps, require appear on top. So I didn't know what it was called. So that's why I'm saying I'm looking at this. I'm sorry if the video is not too clear, guys, because the thing is I am using my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and this is a Z Fold 6, and I'm trying different methods of recording, and I'm trying my best because the iPhone 14 Pro Max is like I got 38 videos that I'm uploading right now, so I can't use that phone. And obviously the only phone I have free that's got a lot of storage on it is the Z Fold 4, and the Z Fold 6 is the one that's here, and I want to use this for gaming. Right, so I've done that little thing. This is notification thingy. I'm gonna close these other ones out. I was doing some other things. Right, so it wants me to enable USB debugging. So this is in developer options, and this is the one. It says, do you want to enable it? Yes. And I also need to enable this thing called wireless debugging. It takes a bit of time to find, there it is. So USB debugging is the top one. It says debug mode with USB is debug mode when USB is connected. And then wireless debugging is debug mode when Wi-Fi is connected. Now, why it needs this is because it's going to connect to your DualSense controller over the Wi-Fi. You know what I mean? So I've enabled those two. They're done. Now it says system. Well, what's that app? What does it want me to put? Wait, I didn't see this. Allow screen overlays on settings. But I've already enabled this one. Okay, allow screen save. Okay, I know where this is. It's in developer options. Allow. Wait, is this saying allow screen overlays? Because I know I've done this one already. The reason why, you know what? It's a good thing to have two Galaxy phones, because if you can have all your storage, photos, apps on one Galaxy phone, and you've got a new phone, like, it doesn't have to be a new Galaxy phone, but this is a 4, and then I told you guys at the 5. So what I did is I transferred all my data, all my apps, all my settings to this phone, to the phone I'm recording with, the Z Fold 4, and then I saved it. And then when I got the new Z Fold 6, I had set it up already, just a little bit, not a lot. And then I decided, nah, this is going to take too long, to put all my accounts back in. So I decided, let me do the best thing. So what I did is I just transferred all the data from the Z Fold 4, the backup, to the Z Fold 6. Because you can do that. You do it via wire, it's wireless. So broadband, and it sent everything to you. So all the settings in here are exactly the same as the settings on Z Fold 4. Of course, there are options in this phone that are not available on the Z Fold 4 that I have. What I'm saying is there's certain apps that won't work on the Z Fold 4 as they would only work on this one. So I'm not saying that the Z Fold 4 doesn't have like the AI features. All that stuff is now on the Z Fold 4. But I'm just saying there's certain things in here that I feel like wouldn't work properly. Wait, I'm trying to find this thing. It says allow apps. Because I know that this thing is here. It's in developer options. But I can't find it. I'm just going to put allow. And then there you go. Allow networks for apps. Man, you just wanted to find something for you. Allow screen overlays on settings. Yeah, I already enabled it, so I have to enable it again. Right, you see, I told you it's in developer options. There it is. When you type that out, like allow, it actually looks for the option for you, and then you saw it highlights it like quickly, just flashes, and then you tap on it. So that's the other thing I like about the Galaxy Z Fold phones. Unlike the iPhone, if you're looking for something, you'll be lost the whole day, and then you have to go to YouTube and find someone talking about it. Right, so I've done everything it wants. I've done the allow screen overlays on settings. I did the wireless debugging, USB debugging, all the stuff is done. So I've done it. I don't know why it keeps telling me to do the same thing again. Right, so Mark is done. Yes, I did it already. Start pairing. Right, so it wants me now to go into the wireless debugging. Right, I'm going to tap on this. And then it says pair device with wiring code. No, this is the sorry, I did the wrong thing there. So I have to come out of that. Pair device with pairing code. Pair new device using 6-digit code. Right. So I'm gonna pair the DualSense controller. I need to type this in. It's just a number. It appears here. So I'm gonna type in mine. And let's see. Then pair. See, it says launching Mantis Buddy. Mantis Buddy is connected. Wireless pairing. So it's done. Yeah, it's paired it. That was in. I don't know what this is. It says Mantis Buddy connected. You're all set. Right. Okay. So how do I? Right. So I think here is where it will want me to add games. I told you the games that will work with Mantis Buddy. Mantis Pro. It gives you the full list of all your apps, and all you have to do is add the game. So the games that I know that work with this is Call of Duty Mobile there. The other one would be Farlight. Warzone won't work with this. I've tried. It just won't work with this app. I think it's already programmed to work with the DualSense, so it will not work with Mantis. This is a mapping program. It just won't work with this. Right, that's Farlight 84. And the last one is PUBG. If I can just find PUBG. Of course, these are old games. These are Homeworld Mobile. I don't play this, but this will actually work with Mantis Pro. You can actually program this. I know it's like a mouse game, but you can program it on the DualSense controller. I just don't play it. I think these games have come from the Z4. You know, back in the days, I was just interested in these games, so I was downloading them but never playing them. I think another game is Metria. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna tap on it because I don't know much about it. Actually, I'll also tap on Homeworld Mobile. I don't play it, but it's there. It came from the Z4. This is called Metria. I think it's a game. Like I said, these are games I was just downloading but never actually playing. There it is, PUBG Mobile. I just want to see if there's anything else in here. Like I said, it will show you all of your apps, and some of these apps, well, some of them are games. Yes, I'm just going through them. Right, War Robots will not work with this Mantis Buddy either, because War Robots already works with the DualSense controller. This is Warface. I've never tried to actually set Warface up. This is the Warface Mobile. I've never actually tried to map this one. It might work, it might not work. I don't know. I've never tried. So that's Warface. Wild Rift. Like I said, this will work. It's an RPG. Mantis Pro will... it gives you tips. You have to watch videos. It's not something that you get in the app to tell you. No. You have to go online. You have to type in Mantis Pro, Android. And obviously, because you want to... This Mantis Pro only work on an Android phone. It will not work with your iPhone, right? I think you guys are probably thinking, why didn't you add like because the other thing I could have added. Sorry, I decided to go back into this thing. The other thing I could have added is right at the bottom, is the Xbox cloud gaming. The thing is, the cloud gaming already works with the DualSense controller. You do not need, you see that is, that's Game Pass, but there is cloud gaming. I just don't know where it is exactly. There's two of them, Xbox Game Pass. I think it's somewhere in here, or it might be under cloud gaming, under the C, because this is all alphabetical. So this is all S and then T, you know, stuff like that. So it's all alphabet. So I mean, I think I just went quickly down. I thought it was somewhere there. Sometimes it's not even written cloud gaming. It could be written something else, like Edge, you know, Edge Gaming, or Xbox. There you go. Genshin Impact. That's another game that I had downloaded but never played. I'm not saying I don't like these games. I never got to playing them. So it's not like I download games and then I don't play them. I just don't get the opportunity to play them, because I'll be playing Call of Duty, Warzone Mobile. You know, I do like these games more. You know what I'm thinking? I think it might be under the browser name Edge and not under the cloud, because I don't see it in here. You see, all of these are C's, right? That's B, and then you come to the C, calculator, calendar. These are all C's, Call of Duty Mobile, and I do not see it in here at all. There it is, cloud gaming. You see, cloud gaming is there. I've never actually tried with cloud gaming, but I know it doesn't work. It won't work with cloud gaming. So what do you do in this? Well, this is what you do. You have to tap on the game you want to play. So I tap Warface. You have to use this Mantis Pro. You cannot come out of Mantis Pro and then think I'll just go to the... Because Samsung, I'll show you, Samsung does have a game launcher. This is the game launcher for Samsung. Games are in here as well, but you cannot launch it from here. You need to launch it from Mantis Pro. Gonna close that out. Oh yeah, there's one thing also that I want to check. Just a quick check that I want to do and this one is called, let's see, I don't think it's there anymore, MSA, like, oh, sorry, it typed the wrong thing. Okay, 4 times, damn, it kind of got it. Wait, I think it's reinforced 4 times. Nah, it's not getting what I wanted to do. Right, let me just go to developer options. I will find it. It's somewhere down here. Did you know you can actually change the apps from using default driver, this graphics driver, so it uses the system graphics driver. I don't know if you guys know anything about this, but it's this is system graphics driver, so you can actually force apps and games to use the Gen 3 processor instead of using default, because I think default is just like a basic thing. So I changed all of these to using the system graphics thing. Right, 4 times should be somewhere. I'm gonna reach it soon. I will find it. It's not hard to find, but I'm just surprised that it didn't actually find it for me. Because usually it's right there. Oh yeah, wait. I think I found it. There you go. This is what I was talking about. Force 4 times MSAA. So if I type here and then I put wait, let me not do it that way. Just put force 4 times MSAA. But it doesn't find it. That's so weird. Yeah, that's 4 times MSAA. I'm just wondering why doesn't it allow me to find it? Force 4 times. Okay, maybe it's a capital thing. MSAA. Nah. Oh, there it is. There. You know why I did that? Because next time when you want to search, it appears on top here. See? So when you want to search for something next time, you don't have to type it out again. You can just come to the search. It does show the last things you're looking for. And then if you want to clear that list, you can clear it. So force, allow, appear. What's the other one I was looking for? Mantis. And, well, this is a side button thing. So I'm just saying it's quite useful to find this. You cannot launch the game from here, from the game launcher. You need to launch it from Mantis. The game launchers for games like War Robots, Warzone Mobile, War Robots, Warzone Mobile, and what's the other game that works? Sorry, I need to go to the launcher again. Oops, no, not this one. The launcher. I don't know what's the third game. Okay, games that are working here would be Warzone Mobile, War Robots, and trying to think of the third game. Oh yeah, you know what? Fortnite. Yeah, Fortnite. Fortnite Mobile is there. This one. I want to show you guys quickly where you'd get Fortnite from. This is the Play Store, and this is the Galaxy Store. So you need to type in here Epic. Right? Wow. it didn't spell the thing there. Epic. Well, anyway, let me just type it in. If I type Epic Games. Wow, did they take it off? That's a bit weird. Okay, it's got Game Pass, got Game Hub. Let's see. What else is in here? That's weird. I'm wondering if they took it off. Because I do have the sorry, I'm just looking at it. It seems like there's a lot of updates going on my phone. Sorry about that. It's both. Let's see. Okay, I want to find out if I can find. Can I find Fortnite? That's weird because no, I'm just saying. Usually, it would just find it for me. Fortnite is not there. Right, that's interesting. Wait, Epic. Let me try this again. Epic Games. It's like they took it off. Epic Games Store. Sorry, Epic Games Store. Oh wow, sorry. Epic Game Store, and it's not coming up. That's weird. No, that is truly weird. I'll show you why. If I'm going through this, I think I have it down here somewhere. Yeah, I've got Epic Games. Okay, this is the Epic Game Store. Sorry, this isn't the app I'm looking for. That's the store. This one. I've got it. I already have it installed. But that's so strange that they took it off. It's not there anymore. You saw that, right? In the Galaxy Store, they removed Epic Games. So because I just looked through it, there's nothing there. It says optimize the gaming experience. Right. Install and update your games using cellular data. Getting notification updates and events. Connect controllers to play your favorite games. So I press get started. So there you go. That's Fortnite's post party and Rocket League sideway. No, this worries me because if I didn't have an update, if I hadn't, it says auto update. I'm gonna click this off because if this game, it says data downloads, always allow app downloads over cellular data. I'll say yes. Because I'm not using cellular data right now. I'm using Wi-Fi, open source. No, I'm just saying it's not there. That's Epic Games. You guys can see that. That's Fortnite. You see? That's the Fortnite mobile app. It seems like they took it off. You see what I mean? They removed it from the Galaxy Store. It's no longer there. This is the Galaxy S6. Z6. Z6. Fold Z6, right? Z6. I don't know why I can't say Z6. That is Fortnite, right? You guys can see that's Fortnite. So I'm wondering why they removed Epic Games from the Galaxy Store. It's not there anymore. They removed it.